Hey guys, we're going to do rounding. Now we're going to use round up and round down in this lesson, and it's probably the easiest thing I could teach, okay? I could teach this with my eyes closed. So here we go. First, no, I can't. So the round function you already know, and that is just rounding a number to the nearest number of digits that you give it. Okay, so it rounds it off to the nearest integer and then gives you a number of digits like 1 or 2 or 3 decimal places. That was the round function. We've done that already, so you guys know this. So the round up rounds a number up according to a number of decimals that you give it, and round down rounds it down. This is going to be a quick lesson. Okay, so have a look. Watch this, guys. Equals round up. There it is. Okay, rounds a number up away from 0, so round up. And I'm just going to choose, I've got some random numbers I placed here, so I'm going to choose that one. Let's round it up by 1 decimal. So 45.12 becomes 45.2. See, rounds it up. Cool. Then let's do the round down. Round down rounds a number down. So again, 45.12 rounded down to 1 decimal figure becomes 45.1. So you see, it actually can change the value of your numbers depending on how you are rounding. So we got 45, just the round function with no decimals. Rounding up gives us to 1 decimal, gives us 45.2. Rounding down to 1 decimal gives us 45.1. Okay, so there you go. And I mean, you can go ahead and just copy that down and have a look and see the differences between the various numbers. 13, 13, 12.9. Do you see? Okay, and that, my dear ladies and gentlemen, is rounding up and down.